Share dividends are a way for companies to share their profits with shareholders. When you own shares in a company, you are essentially a part owner. If the company is profitable, it may choose to distribute some of those profits to its shareholders as dividends. How do share dividends work? Dividends are typically paid out in cash or as additional shares. Most companies distribute dividends on a regular schedule, such as quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. For example, if you own 100 shares of a company that pays a dividend of $1 per share annually, you'll receive $100 as your dividend payout. Why do companies pay dividends? Rewarding investors. Dividends are a way for companies to thank shareholders for investing and to provide a return on their investment. Signaling financial health. Consistent or growing dividends can signal that a company is financially stable and confident in its future earnings. Attracting investors. Dividend-paying companies appeal to income-focused investors, like retirees, who want steady payouts. Types of shared dividends. Cash dividends. This is the most common type, where the company directly deposits cash into your account or sends you a check. Stock dividends. Instead of cash, the company gives you additional shares. For example, a 5% stock dividend means you'll receive 5 extra shares for every 100 shares you own. Special dividends. These are one-time payments made when a company has extra profits it wants to distribute. Example of shared dividends. Let's say you own 50 shares of a company, and each share is worth $20. The company declares a $2 annual dividend per share. This means you'll receive $100 in cash if the dividend is paid in cash. Or you could receive 5 additional shares if the dividend is distributed as stock, assuming each share is worth $20. Benefits of shared dividends. Steady income. Dividends provide a consistent income stream, especially for long-term investors. Compounding growth. Reinvesting dividends can help grow your investment over time, taking advantage of compounding. Signal of stability. Dividend-paying companies are often established and financially stable, making them a safer choice for investors. Drawbacks of shared dividends. Tax implications. Dividends are taxable income, even if you reinvest them, which can reduce your net returns. Not guaranteed. Dividends depend on company performance and board decisions. In tough times, a company may reduce or suspend dividends. Limited growth potential. Companies that pay high dividends may reinvest less in growth, potentially limiting future stock price appreciation. Quick recap. Shared dividends are payouts from a company's profits, given to shareholders in cash or additional shares. They provide a steady income and signal financial stability, appealing to long-term and income-focused investors. Dividends are taxable and not guaranteed, but reinvesting them can help grow your wealth over time. Shared dividends are a great way to earn passive income while investing in the stock market. For long-term investors, they can play a key role in building wealth and achieving financial goals.